In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with ShrinkMe. Now, if you're watching this video, it means you've probably searched for it or you're familiar with ShrinkMe already. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of ShrinkMe, and then I'm going to give you a practical example of how I would use it to make money. The thing is, with URL shorteners, you need to send traffic to a specific link, and then they will pay you for getting that traffic to watch advertisements. So there'll be an advertisement between your traffic and where you want to send them. Now, if we go ahead and go to ShrinkMe and you go to payout rates, you can see here you get a $1 sign-up bonus. The minimum pay is $5, and you can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, Perfect Money, bank transfer, and so on. Now, scrolling down here, the best traffic that you can send is going to be from Greenland, Ireland, and the US, and then it goes down from here. Now, you can't really choose what traffic you're sending. You're going to be sending traffic from all over the world, so you're just going to have to take what you get. Really, using this method I'm about to share with you, it's going to send mostly US traffic, but you can't always choose where your traffic comes from. This is how much you're going to earn per 1,000 views. So if you send 1,000 views from the US, you're going to earn $11, which is okay. It's decent, and ShrinkMe is a great way to make some money, but you're not going to be able to make loads of money fast. It's kind of great using this method I'm about to show you to earn money in a passive way. So if you go to Payment Proof, you've got these people which are cashing out pretty much every day. It is legit. It's one of the most popular URL shorteners out there. So if you do want to make money with URL shorteners, I do recommend ShrinkMe. You just need to create a free account. Now, once you've created your free account and you're on the dashboard, you can go ahead and shorten links. So any link that you want to shorten, you want to paste it in here. I'll just shorten YouTube, right? So http://www.youtube.com. So if I wanted to shorten YouTube and click shorten, it will then give me a shrink link. Now I can then send traffic to this link. It will then show them an advertisement, and then they will be redirected to my destination URL, which in this case happens to be YouTube. Now I have to be thinking, how can we make money with these links? How can you get people to click on your link? How do you get people to trust you? And how do you get mass traffic towards your links? I was thinking about this, and I came up with a method which actually works and creates passive income. If you go ahead and search on YouTube for how to create a Facebook account, there are videos here explaining how to create a Facebook account with thousands of views. These videos are getting views every single day without fail from people searching for this keyword. So you can see here, 81,000 views, and people in the comments are saying, thank you, this is really helpful. Now, what you can do to make money is create a video like this showing people how to do specific things and link in the description. Now, you can go ahead and link to Facebook. If you created this video, you could link to Facebook in the description. So instead of linking to Facebook just straight direct, you could link Facebook here. So you could type in here HTTP and obviously get the link to Facebook, www.facebook.com. If you shorten the Facebook link, you now have a shortened link which goes to Facebook. You can create a simple video like this, explaining how to create a Facebook account, and then basically say, if you want to create a Facebook account, I'll leave a link to Facebook in the description below. By doing this, you're going to get people who want to sign up for Facebook clicking your links, and you're going to be actually helping them out by sending them to Facebook anyway. Now, you don't have to just create videos about Facebook. You can create videos about anything and link to products or websites that the viewers will need to go to. You don't have to create crazy videos. You can just create very simple ones. Maybe you want to create how to make an X account or like a Twitter account, right? Create that video. There's not a lot of competition. Put the link to Twitter through ShrinkMe, and then add this link in the description. To record these videos, you can record it on your phone with a built-in screen recorder on iPhone, or you can get a video recorder for Android. If you want to record on a computer, you can record with OBS Studio. Creating helpful videos and uploading them to the internet, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to get consistent traffic, especially to URL shorteners. So that method could work. I'm not saying it will work for you, but it could work. And it's definitely a working way to make some extra money. Now, not only will you make money through shortening links, you'll also make money through the advertisement revenue. It's literally the method I'm doing right now. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.